Umhlangano wesithathu we-Economic Freedom Fighters National People's Assembly obubanjelwe eNazareth Expo eGoli ngempelasonto uphele ngokuthi iqembu selinobuholi obusha. uJulius Malema uqokwe njengomengameli we-EFF ihlandla lesithathu ngaphandle kokuphikiswa. Ngokuphambene uGodrich Gadi uqokwe njengephini likamengameli omusha weqembu evala ezicathulweni zikaFloyd Shivambu owahamba. uMarshall Dlamini noOmphile Mawotwe bagcine izikhundla zabo zokuba nobhala jikelele kanye nomgcini mafa jikelele ngokulandelana. Ngakolunye uhlangothi uLay-Ann Matthews uqokwe njengephini likanobhala jikelele kwathi uNontando Noluchungu ungosihlalo omusha kazwelonke.
Iqela le-EFF libambe inkomfa yalo ekudala ijongwe ngabomvu kule mpelaveki. Kule nkomfa yantsuku ntathu konyulwe iqela elitsha lobunkokheli ze kwalungiswa imigaqo-nkqubo. Ophinde wavotelwa kwakhona njengenkokheli yeqela uJulius Malema wenze intetho yokuvala inkomfa yonyulo emva kwemini ngecawe, egxininisa indlela yokuziphatha nokugcina igama elihle leli qela zezinkokheli zisandula konyulwa.
Fighters, an ideal central command team is constituted as follows. Every CCT member must be an all-rounder who has capacity to organize and mobilize without seeking external assistance. The CCT should be composed of members who deeply understand the founding manifesto of the EFF, the constitution, and all policies of the organization. The CCT should be composed of members who are able to conduct political education and training to all lower structures. From now on, a commissar must be a permanent ground force, defined by humility and willing to sacrifice everything in service of our struggle. There is no commissar who's going to be accused of sexual harassment. There's no commissar who's going to be accused of abusing women. There's no commissar who's going to be knocking on the doors of leaders of the student command in an attempt to impose themselves on young children. A commissar must be disciplined and show that discipline both in private and in public.
Ekubaleni iminyaka eyakunyulo lomasipala olulandelayo olumiselwe ukuba luqhubeke ngonyaka ka-2026. uMalema uthi amalungiselelo bawaqala ngoku eyalela izinkokheli ukuba zitshaye isaqhuma.
There are areas that are not accessible. The roads are in bad condition. But the EFF must be in a position to go to the dejected masses of our people, to go into the areas where our people are forgotten. It is you, the EFF, that will give the hope to our people. So let's go prepare to take government in 2026. If it comes before that time, it's okay, but we'll consolidate it in 2026. No makanjane. You must all go and win your municipality. You must all go become mayors in your municipalities. You must all go and become councillors in your municipality. Go give people clean water. Go give people houses. Go give people roads. Go give people services.
Abo bonyuliweyo kubunkokheli be-EFF baza kube bephambili kweli qela de kube inkomfa yonyulo elandelayo yonyaka ka-2029. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eNazareth.
Ngokuhlala kwengqungquthela iNational People's Assembly yeqembu Economic Freedom Fighters, unobhala Marshall Dlamini ngene stage yethula inkulumo yakhe. uDlamini uthi EFF ime ndawonye yakhombisa ubumbano engqungqutheleni, ugcizelela ukuthi iphekwe ingqinamba ababhekene nazo njengeqembu, kanti iqembu lizoqhubeka nokufeza isithembiso semfundo yamahhala, izindlu kanjalo nemisebenzi.
We collectively demonstrated the ability to stand as one and defend our movement at the testing moment in its history. All delegates to the Third National People's Assembly had a definite mandate from branches and constitutional structures of the Economic Freedom Fighters and reflected on the ideas of the organization, subjective and collective challenges. We assessed our progress and we deliberated maximally on challenges facing the organization and the success over the past 5 years. We reaffirm and we commit to our generational mission as expressed in our founding manifesto and the first NPA resolutions guided by the 7 non-negotiable cardinal pillars which express our socialist revolutionary vision in the immediate, outlined in our primary program of the EFF founding manifesto: expropriation of South Africa's land without compensation for equal redistribution in use, nationalizations of mines, banks, and other strategic sectors of the economy without compensation, building state and government capacity that will lead to the abolishment of tenders, free quality education, healthcare, housing, and sanitation, massive projected industrial development to create millions of jobs, millions of sustainable jobs, including introduction of minimum wage to close the wage gap between the rich and the poor, close the apartheid wage gap, and promote rapid career path for Africans in the workplace. Massive development of the African economy and advocating for a move from reconciliation to justice across the African continent. Open, accountable, corrupt-free government and society without fear of victimization by the state agencies. The Third National People's Assembly takes place at a critical juncture of our movement's history. The EFF has faced unprecedented organizational and electoral challenges in its past 11 years since its foundation, including electoral sabotage and infiltration. But our resolve to defend these revolutionary gains of the past decade remains unshaken.